In this video, I will explain about glycolysis pathway. Introduction. Glycolysis derived from the Greek word glucose means sweet or sugar and lysis means dissolution. It is a universal pathway in the living cell. The complete pathway of glycolysis was elucidated in 1940. This pathway is often referred to as embedded Meyerhof pathway or EM pathway. Glycolysis is defined as a sequence of reaction converting glucose to pyruvate or lactate with the production of ATP. Glucose is phosphorylated to glucose 6-phosphate by hexokinase enzyme. This is an irreversible process dependent on ATP and magnesium. Then next step, glucose 6-phosphate isomerizes to give fructose 6-phosphate by phosphoglucose isomerase enzyme. Then fructose 6-phosphate again phosphorylated to give fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. This reaction is catalyzed by phosphofructokinase enzyme, which is also ATP dependent. Then in next step, 6-carbon compound fructose 1,6-bisphosphate cleaves into split into two 3-carbon compound dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glycerol 3-phosphate by aldolase enzyme. Triose phosphate isomerase enzyme convert glycerol 3-phosphate to dihydroxyacetone phosphate. This is a reversible process. Then glycerol 3-phosphate convert into 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate by glycerol 3-phosphate dehydrogenase enzyme. Then in next step, phosphoglycerate kinase enzyme act on 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate for the formation of ATP and 3-phosphoglycerate. Then 3-phosphoglycerate isomerizes to give 2-phosphoglycerate. This reaction is catalyzed by phosphoglycerobutase enzyme. Then enolase enzyme convert 2-phosphoglycerate to high energy compound phosphoenol pyruvate. Then pyruvate kinase enzyme convert transfer high energy from phosphoenol pyruvate to ADP, leading to the formation of ATP or pyruvate. Then pyruvate in aerobic metabolism gives carbon dioxide, and in presence of lactate dehydrogenase enzyme in anaerobic conditions it gives lactate. Next, energetics. In absence of oxygen or in an aerobic condition, 4 ATPs are produced, 2 ATPs are utilized, and net energy gain is 2 ATP. In presence of oxygen or in aerobic condition, 4 ATPs are produced, 2 ATP are utilized, and net energy gain is 6 ATPs or 8 ATPs. Significance of glycolysis. Glycolysis is present in nearly all living organisms. Glucose is the source of almost all energy used by cell. Glycolysis is an almost universal central pathway of glucose catabolism occurring in the cytoplasm of all the tissue of biological system, leading to generation of energy in the form of ATP of vital activities. It is the pathway through which the largest flux of carbon occur in the most cell.